Hello, today I'm in Fiat Panda Cross. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to these two buttons we can answer and end the calls. This button allows us to increase and decrease radio volume and to mute radio. On the right side of the steering wheel we've got the button thanks to which we can change radio source and radio station. Thanks to this button we can go to phone menu on instrument cluster, and this button activates voice assistant. Of course, if you press here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.